Welcome to the project demonstration of non-invasive glucometer. The main application of this project is based on non-invasive method. We are going to calculate the glucose levels of a person. So the glucose levels of a person will be calculated based on the blood density. Means, as we have know that if the glucose levels are high, then the density of the blood will be more, and this is a proportionality concept. And to identify the blood density of the particular person through the finger, the two non-invasive method, we are going to use IR and LED which will emit the red lights. And IR sensor is used to detect the finger presence, and red light along with the photodiode, nothing but the LDR sensor, will use it to identify the reflected red waves. Means when the red LED emit the red lights, then that will be passes through the finger, and the blood cells will reflect those red LED lights, and that will be received by the LDR sensor. And based on the light intensity which was reflected, when the light intensity is more reflected, then that is indication of more density of the blood. Then we are going to estimate the glucose levels based on that particular light density which was reflected from the red blood cells. And we have already coded some threshold values. We have checked that with a real-time person blood density. Those have the more glucose levels and normal glucose levels and low glucose levels. So we have provided some threshold values to estimate the nearby glucose levels, and that will be continuously displayed on the 16:2 LCD screen, and the same data will be sent to the mobile phone through this HVS-3668 Bluetooth module. And we have interfaced this sensor at A4, A5 and pin number 22, pin number 7. We have interfaced this LCD, and 0 and 1 for this HVS-3668 Bluetooth module. So let us see the demonstration. Before demonstration, first of all, we need to install this application. That is a Bluetooth terminal application. After successfully installing this application, you can provide the power supply to this adapter. So we can use this to the USB power supply also, or else you can use the adapter. Just on the power supply. Then a welcome message displayed on the LCD screen. And now, so when you're demonstrating very first time in your mobile phone, we need to pair to this HVS-3668 through the settings. Means it should be there in our history of pair devices. Just I'm unpairing the previous one, just searching for the new one. So this will be easily work in Android mobile phone, as the Bluetooth is easily accessible and easily data transferred. So HVS-3668, the password is 1234, right? Okay, after pairing from this one, it will be there in our history. Now go to this application. There we can see the HVS-3668. Tap on that, so we can see the device is connected. After device got connected, there we can see the Bluetooth light indication will be slow down. Right, initially it will blink very fast. Right. Okay, now we can see the data of no finger. So when we place the finger, right, and no finger, so no finger data will be seen here, right. So place the finger and leave it at least for 5 to 10 seconds to stabilize, right. Once the data finger got stabilized one, so we can see the sensor's data over here. So if you move the finger, then the data also varies in high differentiations, right. So once the stabilized one, we can see it's around 119, 113, 114, 106, like that. It will be locked somewhere nearby location. So if you move the finger in heavily, like I'm moving the finger heavily, then it will get the readings may get shoot up very high or very low, or else you will get any response also, right. So right now it is again locked in 109, 107, so like the 106. Okay, so in this way we are going to estimate the glucose levels of a person using the non-invasive method. Thank you.